Hi friends. Today I will show you 6 new cool gadgets and inventions, which you can buy from online stores. Please watch till end. Give a like if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Let's begin. Jump Fury. Catch extreme air with Jump Fury, the all-new innovative RC truck from Airhogs Supersoft. Takes remote control trucks to new heights and jump up to 22 inches high with this all-new innovative RC truck. Airhogs Jump Fury puts insane speed and precision stunt driving in your hands. Jump on, over and on top of the competition. Go wild indoors and master epic stunts including 360-degree spins, flips, drops, rebounds and more. The innovative performance wheels are super soft, they won't scratch walls or furniture, so it is safe to play indoors. Number 0. Number 0 2.0 is the world's very first 5-in-1 magnetic car vent cell phone mount with dynamic animation, which is the upgraded version of Number 0 1.0 in-1 air freshener. Whether you're talking, navigating, or listening to your favorite music, it holds your device in place securely so that you get a safer, distraction-free driving experience. As a bonus, you can use the Number 0 2.0 as an aromatherapy diffuser to fill your car with the smell of your favorite essential oils or perfume. When not in use, the Number 0 displays an eye-catching dynamic animation that's sure to add an element of fun to your car interior. It also can be your phone stand when watch movie at table. Last but not least, you can use the device as a handheld stress reliever to relax at the end of a hard day's work. Nano Leaf. Smart color changing light panels complete with music sync and screen mirror features for a fully immersive, next level gaming and entertainment experience. Create your own completely unique layouts with modular panels. Big, small, or huge, linear, geometric, or totally abstract, the choice is yours. Use hexagons, triangles, or mini triangles on their own, or mix and match the different shapes with Connect Plus technology for endless design combinations. Would ya? From epic bass in the face beats to face melting battles that'll have you picking out shrapnel for weeks. Woodja takes you there. First class. Powered by potent haptics, sound is reconfigured as visceral sensations that literally bring content to life, edging you closer to the core than ever before. Forget about just hearing sound. Now feel sound. Woodja delivers an amplified level of immersion. Imagine standing in the front row of Tomorrowland. You know that oomph you feel in your body? That energy pulsating into your bones? That's what Woodja feels like. Get everything that your headphones alone can't deliver. Snapods. The Snapods earbud slot into shafts at the back of the phone. So whenever you need to use your phone to listen to music, podcast, watch videos, play games, make calls, or after you are done using it, you will always have your earbuds ready to be deployed or stowed away at fingertips. You will never lose or misplace your earbuds ever again, and they will always be there the next time you need them. Sendo Snapods comes with Bluetooth 5.2, the fastest, most advanced Bluetooth technology around, to reach the lowest latency and highest level of robustness. You can confidently use your Snapods earbuds when FaceTiming, playing games, or viewing online videos with no lip sync issues. Armrest. An affordable ergonomic setups designed with creativity and quality to help transform your unique workspace. Mount. Arm01 adds an additional platform for arm and elbow support and is designed for both right and left-handed users.
You